Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our group represent about the application of physics and chemistry in our daily life. I want to ask you something. Did you know that physics and chemistry contribute a lot to our daily life? So, before presenting, we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Imran bin SHA'ARI.
My name is SHA'ARI Abdurrahim.
My name is Nadira Idris.
So, we would like to proceed to the first presenter. First and foremost, I will start my presentation in application of chemistry in sunscreen. Sunscreen combines organic and inorganic chemicals that can filter the light from entering the skin. It works like glass window, which not all the light can enter the skin, but some of it, not 100% of the light can enter the skin, but only some of the light that can penetrate into the skin. Sunscreen also contains zinc oxide and titanium oxide. Zinc oxide and titanium oxide are powdered mineral that sits on top on the skin when we apply the sunscreen. Zinc oxide and titanium oxide works as they can scatter or reflect the light from enter the skin. Okay, so we will proceed on how actually titanium oxide and zinc oxide works. Okay, so this is how the conventional sunscreen or traditional sunscreen works, and this is nowadays sunscreen. Conventional sunscreen, we can see the UV or the light can enter directly into the skin, but nowadays sunscreen, with the help of titanium oxide, we can see that the light are scattered and not all this light can enter the skin. In addition, actually the sunscreen does not work 100% on our skin. Instead of using sunscreen, we can wear thick clothes or do not expose too much in the light. Okay, when you are actually exposed too much in the sun, that is why you need to wear the sunscreen. Next, I will proceed to the next application of physics and chemistry in soaps and detergent. Soaps and detergent are emulsifying agent. Emulsifying agent, for the simple words, you can see that oil and water cannot mix together. With the help of emulsifying agent, the oil and water can mix together, so the oil and dirt can be easily removed with the water. Detergent and soaps are made in different ways. Detergent are made from petrochemicals, alkalines, and oxidizers. Petrochemicals such as plants and animals are derived from oleochemicals, which means that the fat from the animals or plants can be derived to petrochemicals. Petrochemicals can provide hydrocarbon chain to the water, so hydrocarbon chain can attract the carbon chain from the dirt or oil. Alkaline such as sulfur trioxide and sulfuric acid can provide positively charged ion. So when positively charged ion react with negatively charged ion from the dirt or the oil, positive and negative will react together. Then when we wash with water or we brush the clothes, it can be easily removed. Oxidizers such as can provide hydrophilic carbon chain. Hydrophilic, you can imagine like heat and the dirt are tail, and the heat and the tail can attract together, so it works just as the same as positive and negative. When we brush the hydrophilic and hydrophobic tail and heat, it can be easily removed. So are made from saponification. Saponification is the process of hydrolysis of fat. Hydrolysis, in another word, is added of water into the fat. So, as I said before, um, so words as emulsifying agent. Emulsifying agent can help the dirt to suspend in the water, so it can be easily removed. So that is all from me. I will proceed to the next presenter, which is Nur Atira Idris. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Najram Idris. My website number is 187017. I am the second presenter. Before that, I'm going to say good evening to Miss Nisa Najira. So, since our group topics for the discussion today is about the application of physics and chemistry in our daily life, so I, the second presenter, will be presenting about the application of physics. So, I will start my presentation about credit cards. So, do you guys know, in our daily card that we use in our daily life, especially in our bank cards, there are a long black line behind the card. So, what is exactly the function of the black line behind the card? The black bold line is called a match strip cards. So, I will be explaining the actual physics concepts that contain in the match strip. So, match strip are used in a lot of different markets in modern day living. Some of the markets including financial service, travel and transportation, health insurance and education. So, within the specific markets, there are a class of variety type of match strip cards. As you can see, this includes our own bank cards, our top-up cards, credit or debit cards, including purchase transaction, and health card that store personal medical history. So, what is exactly a match strip card? If you look at your student ID or ATM cards, you will notice a narrow black lines or brown stripe on the back of it. So, essentially, the strip is very thin layer of magnetized material that has information stored in it. So, different type of magnetic material used on card have different coercivity. So, do you guys know what exactly a coercivity is? Coercivity is the measure of resistance of magnetic material to become unmagnetized. So, there are also a few laws behind the encoding magnetic strip. The laws show how magnetism that govern how current, voltage and magnetic field are related. So, in the end, there are few laws related to the match strip card, including electromagnetic induction, infrared law,